Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk about a tool that's been helping me recently, and it's a bit unexpected, so that's why I wanted to share it. And it's actually over here. It's a pocket knife. So basically, before I had this, I didn't really see the need for it. And yeah, there's sometimes other solutions to just these technical problems you get in life, like fixing some random thing. But recently, now that I own it, it's surprising how often I actually need to use it. Like sometimes it's just to tighten a screw or something, or someone asks for it for to cut something, and I wanted to make the video because yeah, it's like one of the most useful things I own right now. I bought it because it's pretty cool and you can carry it anywhere. But now, even just for stuff in the house, it's proven to be really like life-saving sometimes. Obviously not life-saving, but convenient, because otherwise you'd have to ask some random person to fix it. If you just invest and buy one of these, you could be the guy just solving it every time. Just very convenient. So it's something that didn't cross my mind before, like in my entire life. So that's why I wanted to let you guys know that this thing is really nice. Really short video, but yeah, if you're considering buying one of these, I bought mine for like a bit more than 50 euros, but mine has like quite a lot of tools. You can even buy cheaper than this. The main tools I've used are like the clippers to kind of, because let's say you don't have the right screw, but you can sometimes even use these like clippers in here to deal with that situation. You've got the knife, of course, pretty important, and yeah, a few types of screwdrivers, can opener. So yeah, very nice compact tool if you guys are interested in never running into big problems. Hope this was helpful. Yeah, see you.